Alright, this is a vintage white model 565, all steel, 1.3 amp. It's a very, very nice machine. It's straight and zigzag until you add one of the pattern cams. It does come with 6 pastel colored cams along with a box of short shank accessories and the original instruction manual. It does use class 15 bobbins, 15x1 needles, and it is a low or short shank machine. Very nice cosmetically. It just has very little tiny bit of wear along the top edge of the deck. Other than that, it's very nice. Baby blue and white two-tone. Stitch width adjustment here, spring loaded, makes for easy creative embroidery. Adjustable needle position, which is actually a good feature for a machine this age. Adjustable stitch length, bobbin winder on the wheel, and 3 level feed dogs. And this is your reverse. Very nice machine, just serviced and ready to go. 1.3 amp, one of the stronger machines out there. Tabletop ready, or it can be put in a Singer type cabinet or carrying case. It shares the same dimensions. Smooth running machine. These don't hang around long when I put them on because they are pretty much a powerhouse. So they get snapped up pretty quick. Zigzag. Now the stitch width is not adjustable in the cam patterns. When you have a cam in, the stitch width must stay on 0 for the machine to create the cam pattern. Zigzag. My thread in my bobbin is a little heavier than the thread in the needle, so what I'm going to do is, I didn't realize that, but we'll change that out. Let's see. Bobbins and needles for this machine are standard, of course, as I said, can be found virtually anywhere. Changing out the bobbin to a lighter thread so they match. Because sometimes if the bobbin and needle thread do not match, it's not going to make for a good looking stitch. So we'll just make sure that happens. Alright, I'm going to put a cam in. Let's see. This is like an arrowhead. Cam's in, stitch width on 0. We'll pull it in really, really short so you can see the pattern. Not short enough. And the design changes with your needle position. Right now it's in the center. I'm going to put it to the right. And then I'm going to change it to the left. And as you can see, here's where my needle was in the center. Left needle, or I'm sorry, right needle position. I did it this way. And left needle position. So the design changes. So every cam essentially makes 3 different patterns. Very cool. Okay, we're going to put in 6 layers of denim. 6 layers of real denim Levi's using a size 16 needle. Slides right through. Nice stitch. And we're going to do a couple layers of suede leather. Of course, you can always invest in the even feed foot too. And for some reason, it's skipping stitches on the leather. Oh, there it is. Finally locked in. Finally locked in nicely there on the second line. Needle might have a little burr on it. that will be changed, and that is your white model 565 1.3 amp all steel cam sewing machine.